जब आप 14 साल के थे तब से आपको विजन्स भी आते थे एंड उसके बाद ऐसे आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए. सो ये जो आपकी स्पिरिचुअल, आई वुड से स्पिरिचुअलिटी तो आपके अंदर शुरू से थी जब ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही होंगी. सो ये जो चेंज आया आपके लिए, हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू एज अ पर्सन? ये चेंज के लिए वर यू रेडी, वर यू प्रिपेयरिंग, और कुछ एकदम देयर वाज समथिंग इनसाइड यू जो कि आपको ऐसा फील हुआ दैट मुंबई से अब आपको ऋषिकेश जाना है?
I think there are two ways of looking at this question, Raghav. One is from a worldly point of view, where you are always trying to cope up with things.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a deeper way of looking at it, that, for example, if I look back 20 years behind, I don't think I'm capable of doing the things that I did. They happened. So I always say to my students, under the folds of doing, there is a sure and steady process of happening. हमको दिखता नहीं है उस वक्त, हमको लगता है हम कर रहे हैं. जैसे चप्पू से नाव चलाते हैं लोग. आप राफ्टिंग करते हैं हमारे यहाँ ऋषिकेश में बहुत. जब हम देखते हैं चप्पू चला रहे हैं, उनको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, उनको लग रहा है हम चला रहे हैं राफ्ट को. चप्पू छोड़ भी देते तब भी राफ्ट जारी होती है. So it's like it's a process of happening. The doer is involved for sure, and the doer goes through a process of thinking, thought कि यार मैं ये बड़ा मुश्किल सब्जेक्ट है, या इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन आई मीन, इसको मैं कैसे हैंडल करूँगा. हमारा इंटेलिजेंस चलता रहता है, मन चलता रहता है, हम टटोलते रहते हैं चीज़ों को, ऑप्शंस के साथ में हम प्ले करते रहते हैं. बट व्हेन यू रेस्ट बैक एंड यू सी बिहाइंड, then you think that was another process. The doer was involved in the process, but actually there is a process of happening. So ये चीज़ें होनी थी तो ये हुई हैं. अब वो उस वक्त आपकी ब्रेन वेव्स होती हैं, आपकी ताकत होती है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ होती है, आपको आइडियाज जो आते हैं, आपको लोग जो मिलते हैं, ये सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंटल होते हैं.
ऐसे उस वक्त ये कौन से ईयर की बात है? 40 years back?
Yeah, I mean, from the beginning of my spiritual journey, I would say that every event has happened more than me doing it or my parents doing it or anyone else doing it.
Right. But अगर किसी भी बच्चे के लिए देखें तो वो अपने ऐसा जब एक स्टेप वो सोचे कि मैं अपने परिवार से दूर जाऊंगा, या इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ हैपनिंग, इसको अगर मैं समझना चाहूँ, सो ऐसे क्या साइंस आते हैं अपने अंदर, ऐसी क्या फीलिंग आती है दैट यू फील कि नाउ इज द टाइम?
हमारा मन, बुद्धि, चित्त, अहंकार जो है, हायर माइंड लीड करता है. द हायर माइंड इज लीडिंग, एंड हायर माइंड इज इन द हैंड्स ऑफ गॉड एंड इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ द कॉस्मोस. For an ordinary person, it is always in the hands of destiny. And for a person who is blessed and has to cover a certain journey in this lifetime, God takes over. Gurus take over. Parampara takes over. They lead. They make you think the way you're thinking. They make you think and make decisions that you have to make. I'm telling you for sure, if I look back, there are certain things I have done that I, as a person, and I know myself, would never dare to think. Like for instance, just picking up a man and throwing him down. I have done that physically. We had, the ashram was a very old, very deserted and isolated place. In the beginning when I went, it was in the mid of forest. We didn't have any compound. There was no compound wall. There was no grills, no gate, nothing. It was just one room in which I used to live. We had a night watchman who would most of the time be drunk and sleeping. And so sometimes once a drunkard man came inside, and I had guests with me. I host people, I told you earlier. I host people. I was a couple who was with me. We were sitting outside and having a chat, and there was fire burning there in the winters. One drunkard came inside, and one of my maids told him that, go, Mataji is busy, don't come here. But he wouldn't listen. He came inside. Very lightly, I just got up, I picked him up and threw him down. We have cascading landscape. I just threw him down. So if I sit back and I look, do I have the courage to pick a man and throw him down? No, I don't have. But I did it. And there are several other things, I mean, including dialogues and, conversations. How did I think of saying something like this to this man if I think later? I don't think I have neither the intelligence nor the capacity.
Right.
So a surrendered sadhak,
Ji.
And this is something technical I'm telling you. A surrendered sadhak has his entire antakarna in the hold of a higher power. What he thinks, what he says, what he does,
You direct it.
that's it.
Yeah.
And you know it. I know it. I know it that my capacity is not that what I have experienced all through these years.
Right.
And when I say my capacity as a human being, as an ordinary person, very ordinary person,